Hey everyone, in today's tutorial I am going to show you how to create a stunning section in Elementor. Just like this one, we will be adding a title, description, button and an image with rounded corners. Let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the page. Click on Add New Page. We can give it a name, What We Do. Click on the Publish. Now, click on Edit with Elementor to launch the Elementor editor. Click on the plus icon to add a new section. We can click on Flexbox and choose a two-column structure. Add content to the left column. For this, we need to click on plus. Drag a heading widget. And we can give it a title. What we do. We can now style it like typography. We can give it Poppins, size 40. We can select this. We can change the color. Yeah. Now for the description one. Just drag the text editor and click on this. Now we have to give the description part, so I will copy all the part from here. We just need to Control plus C and then Control plus V paste. I can to style this section, like I can change the font style to Monstrate. Yeah. I can choose the weight to medium. And for the button, click on plus icon. We can search it to button. We have a lot of options here. Drag this button option and just drop over here. Now, as you can see, it is a pink color, so I can just drag this laser section and I can add a link. For now, I can give it the page link itself for the styling part. Yeah. For a hover effect, I can choose the color, background type, and color. Something lighter, like this effect. Yeah. For the image section, click on the plus icon and drag the image widget and drop over here. For image, I will upload from my library. Click on upload file, select files. I will just use this image and select. Yeah. See, now we have to publish this. We can preview these changes over here too. As you can see, the image is of rectangle, so we can give it a border. For this, go to style and border radius as 20 pixels or 15 to, yeah. publish. Yes, something similar, or you can just mobile friendly. We can go to this tab. Yes, we can center line this position. If you want to stretch the part, stretch it, or keep it as it is, publish it. Yes, our page is ready, and there you have it, a beautiful what we do section built in Elementor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Elementor tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.